Welcome, AI enthusiasts, to a thrilling journey through the synergy of AI and robotics. In this video, we're exploring the fascinating relationship between artificial intelligence and robotics, from early inventions to cutting-edge developments like self-driving cars and drones. Let's embark on this incredible adventure into AI and robotics. To understand AI and robotics, we need to go back to their roots. Early inventions like the mechanical wonders of Leonardo da Vinci and the automata of the 18th century laid the groundwork for today's robots. The rise of AI brought us closer to creating intelligent robots. We'll delve into the integration of AI into robotics, which led to robots that can learn, adapt, and interact with the world. One of the most exciting applications is in autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation. We'll explore the technology behind these futuristic vehicles. Drones are another arena where AI and robotics converge. These flying robots have endless applications, from photography to search and rescue. We'll showcase their versatility. While the relationship between AI and robotics is promising, it's not without challenges. We'll discuss hurdles like safety concerns and the importance of ethical AI in robotics. In conclusion, AI and robotics have come a long way from their early days, and their partnership is shaping our world. The possibilities are limitless, and as technology continues to evolve, we're bound to witness even more astonishing developments. What do you think about the future of AI and robotics? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video intriguing, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next journey into the world of technology. Stay curious, stay inspired. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.